Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a comparison video between the previous Itel A60 and the Itel A70. Please stick around to find out. On our last video, we talked about the Itel A70. Now I'm going to compare those two devices together. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel or this is the first time of you coming to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also turn down notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I drop a new video just like this one you're watching. Both two devices comes with 5000 mAh battery. They have the same size, their height, width and breadth are the same. They have the same cutout at every turn around their body. The only exception is their audio jack. Let's take a look at the both. On the A60, it's located at the top of the phone, while the A70 is located at the bottom of the phone. So take a look at the both. I hope you can see the difference. Now let's talk about the camera. Take a look at both. I hope you can see the difference. The camera model is the last similarities in the structure of both phones. Although the model has different design, they have the same size and shape. This is the reason why the protective case of the A70 can face the A60 nicely without blocking the buttons, the camera and the charging port. Moving to the unboxing experience of both two devices, the Itel A60 comes with a plastic case, while the A70 comes with a rubber case. I prefer the rubber case. The Itel A60 comes with 5-watt charging brick, while the A70 comes with 10-watt charging brick. Both comes with the same 4G connectivity. Both two devices comes with all the complete accessories in the box. This is all the accessories that comes with the Itel A60. On the other hand, this is all the accessories that comes with Itel A70. Now let's talk about the design. From the appearance, it is obvious that the Itel A70 looks so much better. It does not look like regular Itel phone. And honestly, Itel should recommended for pushing their device forward. Both comes with 6.6 inches 720p LCD display with 60Hz refresh rate. Let's talk about the camera. The Itel A60 comes with 8 megapixel main camera and 5 megapixel selfie camera. As for the Itel A70, it comes with 13 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel selfie camera. These are some of the pictures taken with the Itel A60 and the Itel A70. Tell me the difference on the comment section below. Moving to the storage aspect, the Itel A60 comes with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. Comparing it with the big brother of Itel A70, which comes with 128GB internal storage and 3GB of RAM, then you can expand the RAM to another 2GB of RAM, making it 5GB of RAM. And the Itel A70 also comes with 256GB internal storage and 4GB of RAM. Then you can expand the RAM to another 4GB of RAM. That's incredible. Coming to my conclusion, the Itel A70 comes with 13 megapixel main camera. That is an upgrade from the previous Itel A60, which comes with 8 megapixel main camera. That shows that the Itel A70 will offer a better camera more than the previous Itel A60. Now let's talk about other things. Another aspect where the Itel A70 shines is that it comes with side-mounted fingerprint, while the previous A60 comes with rear-mounted fingerprint. And another thing is that I love the case that comes with the Itel A70. It's a rubber case. I might say that you don't have to get another case. And before I forget, back to the Itel A60, it comes with Android 12 on the box. And as for the processor, it is powered by SoC SC9832E processor. And as for the Itel A70, it comes with Android 13 on the box. Another thing that impressed me is the dynamic bar. I hope you can see it. And as for the processor, the Itel A70 is powered by SoC T603 processor. Thanks for watching. This is my comparison video between the previous Itel A60 and the Itel A70. So tell me what you noticed on the comment section below. I think that is enough for today. If you find this video interesting and the effort I make when doing this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on that notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I drop a new video just like this one you're watching. Catch you guys on next one. Peace out.